am Adharsh, a final year MC student at my Coastline Engineering College. This is my project presentation on enhancing tax filing efficiency through task management. This presentation covers the company name, project description, tech stack, database design, completed modules, sample screenshot, testing results, work in progress. Company profile. Mothersoft Solution is a reputed software company in Coimbatore, offering the customized ERP and business automated solution. Project descriptions. In audit office, managing the client tax filing is both time sensitive and detail oriented. Manually handling the often leads to missed deadlines, billing errors, and reduce their client satisfaction. My project addresses this by automating the job assignments, monitoring the due dates, and ensuring the real-time task visibility for both employees and administrators. This system transforms the traditional task management into digital workflow, improving the tax transparency, accountancy, and compliance with the regulatory norms like GST and income tax deadlines. Tech stack. These are my technical stacks used in my project. The project is built on main stack like um, with MS SQL integration. I use React.js as for a dynamic frontend, Node.js for RESTful API creation, and MS SQL for handling the relation data securely. This is the system flow. There are three types of users allowed: admin, employee, and customers. Admin can create login credential for customer and employee. Employee only create an jobs and view the job status and also connect with the customers. But the customer only view their pending jobs and completed jobs and payment details status and give feedback to the employee. This is the database design. The customer model. This is the database brief database design for client to manage the client records, for track the job frequency, date, and assign the employees. This is a job type masters so to organize the recurring activities. It's a customer job done. We can track the mm, completed modules, completed jobs in this table. These are the modules in my projects. Customer model. User can add, update, and retrieve the customer record from validations, auto ID generation, and cascading the drop down improves accuracy. This module enables the user to input and update and manage the customer details. This is the example screenshot of the customer module. Customer can this is only for the employee can add the customer details depends upon the customer view their details. This is the customer job master. It's designed to efficiently manage and organize the customer job, allow user to add, view, edit, and delete their entries. Um, this is the sample screenshot for the customer job master. We can select the customer name, previously entered in the customer master, and job name. The job name means we will explain later. Frequency means monthly, daily, or that type of vacancy. Job date means which date the job should be started. Employee means there are working employees, there are several working employees in their database. So we can select which employee should do this job. This is job type master. It's designed to manage and maintain the job type information. It's like a name of the job, like GST IT. Um, After this is the UI of the job type master. You should enter the GST means this the job type name is the GST. After job master, it's a job managed by the allow the user to create, edit, and job records. It's the detailed, like if you enter in the GST means it can explain the GST, like a CGST or SGST, which type of job name, tax filing, like that. User can select the job type from the drop down list pop from previously entered the job types. Where you enter the means, say GST means, we can change the job name in SGST or CGST. We mention the particular GST. Employee master. You manage the basic employee credentials with the system. Only admin can access this employee master. This master to give the credential for the employee and access client also. Mm, This is the UI of the employee master. You only can access admin credential. It will show only the admin credential. Admin can give their employee credential as well as client also we view the credential to view the status of the job. The bending jobs. This module display the bending jobs. Which are the jobs are bending, it will display. Mm, And once you completed the job means you can switch into the bending jobs into to be built jobs. It automatically query the yes, it automatically be scheduled accurately without manual intervention in using SQL queries. It will calculate the next schedule date based on the job defined frequency. This is the UA of bending jobs. It will display the which of jobs are upcoming. After completed the any employee on that job means we can switch the status into completed. The after completed it to be go to be built in order. It will display the which are the jobs are should be build. Go to build section. In the build section, it will display the enter bill number and date, bill date, and enter amount, which what amount the employee should pay. After run pending payments, it will show the user should enter the amount. It will display in their page and after completed, but it not have any online payment in it. It's not available. Only offline payment will be available. Enter payment. If you user enter payment means the amount will be displayed. After that, if user paid means you can switch into the completed job. It will display in the completed job. And also in this model, you can track the bill amount and date of the payment received and amount actually paid by the customer or not. This is the UI of the completed job. After the customer purchase and sales model, this is the uh, client. This is the extra model for asked from the client. We customize this module for their own purpose, so we can develop for their purpose only. It's not connected with their in the project. In this model allows user to upload and track the customer related purchase and sales data in Excel. This is the UI of the one. User can select the customer name and customer type, which customer and customer type, and from to date. Customer type means it's like a purchase type or sales type. That's type. Okay, you can choose the Excel Excel file and upload it means it will display and then you can save the it will show the save button and save means it will store into the database. We completed the validation testing, performance testing, and features testing. Also, we tested for missing field detection, password length, and login security. In performance testing, we will test all the loading time and how many takes it will, how many times you take to load and that time That kind of information will be tested in the performance testing. Features testing, like a task updates, login sessions, Excel report generation, that all be done in the feature testing. In all the modules, we have imported the download option for download option in Excel format. So that also we can test in the features testing. The download report clean and fast or not. Thank you.